Alrighty, and this is the number two entry that we have this morning. It is called a Roger Dodger, and this little car has been known to sell on eBay for anywhere from $11 right up to $25. If this was if we had the plum colored Roger Dodger, the plum color one sells anywhere from $50 on up to $100. But we've got the green one, and it's a nice little looking car here. Um, it's the Lilius Bolorama car. Got the bowling pins here, and the signage up here on top. Very good looking car, yellow interior, looks like, or maybe a little bit brownish tan color instead of yellow interior. Like the rims that we have on our car. We we've got the on the front hood scoop here. We got the bowling lanes coming up through here, and this big motor just sitting here. And if you get to looking at this real close, you can just point out all the little details on here that just make this car look really nice. We got the front end with the grill here, and the headlights on both sides, and you got your bumper, and you got some, looks like, fog lights down here on the very end here. Let me see if I can get this into focus just a little bit better. There we go. And like I say, you got your fog lights down here, and your grill, and just a good looking car as we turn it around here, and very detailed again. Looks like we got right here on the back side, on both back sides, we've got a heart. Let's see if we can get that. Yeah, just a heart there, and then the Lilies Roger Dodger. Got the back end and your tail lights on the back end here, and your chrome bumper. This is was casted in 1974. These little cars, and you can, like I say, find them on eBay. The Lilies Bolorama was a recast version of the 2001 Roger Dodger. Nice looking little car again. Hope you enjoyed it.